Hi there kids! Today's topic is all about initial consonant blends, SP words. Let's get started. Letter S and P together make a sound sp, sp, as in Spider-Man. Repeat the sound with me kids. Sp, 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 sp. Sp, spin, spin. Sp, spoon, spoon. Sp, spring, spring. Sp, spooky, spooky. Sp, spider, spider. Sp, sparrow, sparrow. Sp, splash, splash. Sp, spinach, spinach. Sp, sponge, sponge. Sp, sports, sports. Sp, spy, spy. Sp, spa, spa. Sp, speed, speed. Sp, spread, spread. Sp, spray, spray. Sp, spine, spine. Sp, spell, spell. Sp, spit, spit. Sp, spot, spot. Sp, spam, spam. Sp, spike, spike. Sp, spare, spare. Sp, sprite, sprite. Sp, sprout, sprout. Sp, sprain, sprain. Sp, speech, speech. Sp, spaghetti, spaghetti. Sp, spaceship, spaceship. Sp, sprinkles, sprinkles. Sp, sprinkler, sprinkler. Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.